Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July's Allure beauty box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so my July Allure beauty box just arrived. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we're gonna have. All right, they want my knife, so let me just do it the old-fashioned way. All right. Okay, Allure beauty box. And when you open it up, that's what it looks like. You have this gorgeous girl right here on the front of their brochure. And it says nothing. So there's the brochure that goes over the products. And then when you look inside, that's what you see. So let's see what we have this month. This little tiny cute thing here. This is a Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. So this is a sample size. The full size of this would be $48. So there's that. Next we have is this little box here, and it says Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. And it says it's by, what? I don't know what that word is. Hold on, let me see. Let me find it in here. What does that say? Botanic Beauty? I think that's what it says. Botanic Beauty Lip and Butter Cheek Balm. I'm going to assume this is going to be the full size because it looks just like it looks like that's what it's gonna look like inside. And it says $16. So let's get this opened and see what we have. It says how to use, apply to cheeks, lip, or eyelids, and diffuse using a warmth of fingertips for natural radiant color. Sweep on for a subtle sheen or build up for more intense effects. So I was thinking that it was going to be like a lip sugar scrub for some reason. Butter, lip, and cheek balm. So I don't know how you put that on your eyes, but let me open this up and we can see what's inside here. I don't know if something like a butter lip balm that goes on your cheeks and your eyelids. It said eyelids, right? Yeah, it says eyelids. Holy moly. Okay, so there's the packaging. The color is Peach Blush, and it looks like that. So I guess it's like a balm that if you put on your cheeks, it could be like a blush. And if you put on your eyelids, it'd be like an eyeshadow, or you can put on your lips for like a lip balm. There's that. $16. This product is more than the entire box. So, I mean, I'm not going to complain. It's just an odd product that I don't think that I would even use. So the next item is this. It is an ocean cleanser. And it says $48 is going to be the full size. That is for a 5 fluid ounce, and this is a 0.6 fluid ounce. So this is definitely not the full size, but you can try it out. And if you like it, oh, it's a glass bottle and everything. If you like it, then you can purchase the full size for $48. An ocean cleanser. Let's see. So it looks like that. It's kind of like a light green tinge to it. It smells like tea tree oil. I'm smelling like tea tree oil and some other like essential oils. What is this? Normal, dry, and combination skin. Organic seaweed cleansing gel. Removes surface impurities and excess oils. So there's a vegan lactic acid that gently exfoliates to minimize appearance of pores, lime, citrus, and juniper, energize skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. Massage into damp skin and rinse with warm water. Removes makeup. Use morning and night. Seaweed looks good on you, it says on the top of the box. So that's where I'm getting the tea tree. Like I'm getting like a little bit of tea tree. I'm getting a little bit of like a citrus. I'm just definitely smelling some different essential oils. So I'm really excited to try that. So we have that guy. Then let's see what else we have here. Now we have is this product right here, and this is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Ooh, peach extracts. I love peach. Peach and watermelon are my favorite. Well, and pineapple, but you know. So this has a little brochure that talks about this product as well. And it says the full size for this is $39. It does not have on the product like how many ounces. So I don't know if this is going to be the full size, but I'm going to assume this is a full size. So that's what that looks like right there. And it says, directions, pat onto clean, dry skin, can be used AM and PM daily. So it has that kind of a top, and it's just a clear serum. I'm hoping it's gonna smell like peach. Let's see. No, I don't smell anything, but I'm willing to definitely try that out on my face and see how it feels. So for this particular product, you guys, this one could have came in this, which is the Tiger Grass Calming Gel, or an Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen. So you would have received one or the other with the samples for the box. And then there is another item in here. It is a Charcoal Pore Care. There's this guy right here, and it says this is $3. So this is definitely a full size for $3. And then we have this Acne Cover Patch. There's 8 clear patches that are in here as well, and I think this is just an extra bonus. Yes, that's on the back of the brochure. So we have this little extra bonus to try out, and if you like it, you can buy the full size, which comes with 40 clear patches, and in here it's 8 clear patches. And it looks like there's actually different sizes. I like that. There looks like there's 2 patches which are like 10 millimeter. Then there's 4 that are a 12 meter. And there's 2 that are 14 millimeter. So it shows that there's different sizes that are in here. So if you get the big pack, which has how many, 40 in there, I'm sure the big pack has the multiple different sizes in there as well, which I think that is really neat. I've came across these a lot in boxes, but I've never had one that has different sizes. So I can't wait to try this one out. And that is everything. Have this to try out as a sample. We have a face mask. We have this product to try out. We have a face cleanser to try out. You have a lip, cheek, and eye balm situation. And then you have this, which I'm really excited to try out this as well. Now, Allure Beauty is $15 a month with free shipping. So I really enjoy this. Sometimes we get really, really lucky and get some really expensive full-size products in the box. Not this, but we have before. We've had like $100 or $120 serums in them before. So I really, really like my Allure. I really like my Allure. I'm not gonna complain about it because it's $15 free shipping, and we get to try out some really nice products, and we get some really amazing products that are full size in there as well. So go ahead and comment down below. Do you get the Allure? Do you want to get the Allure? Have you had it before and you canceled? Let me know all the details down below. Let me know what you thought of the products that came in this July's box. I think it's a decent box. And again, I'm really excited for these 2 products right here. And you know I'm a face mask junkie anyways, and that's $3. And this is 30 something on its own, because I'm gonna call that a full size, $39 on its own. So I actually like this box. So there's that. So again, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.